camera behind you, don't worry.
Stay down low, don't even get up. Keep going all the way.
Back up so I got you in this shot. Cover fire, cover fire. You sound like you need to wind, Orion. I don't know if you can see them, but we got ghosts in the bushes. This down here, this is Recruit Hansen. I'm going to follow him to this off. Call for cover fire before you're ready to crawl. Make sure yours is wound good, Orion. I didn't hear nothing. Cover fire.
Alright, keep going forward.
You guys are fighting the wind too, remember that.
Alright, get down.
He was doing cover for the sniper. Slow down a little bit, but it'll keep going the rest of the day. Well, I don't know. Well, yeah, we haven't charged it, have we? You didn't charge it, did you? Orion called contact at 10 in case you guys didn't hear.
I'm gonna clear back to the side. Yep. And I'm just gonna try to get up, and I'm gonna move slowly, but I'm gonna go with you. Ready?
your hat. Get that motherfucker on right. I had to edit the video because I just cussed. Keep your gun barrel a little bit lower when you're doing that. We have soft cover right now. I'm going to back up with Hanson since he's not undercover no more. I just didn't want to give away your cover.
Contact! Contact!
Down there. Somewhere.
20 yards in front of you. Get down! Get down!
Hey! I'm fucking got a red flag on my head, Michael! I'm not even fucking close to anybody! You can't see the red flag on my fucking head! Hey, stop! If you're taking blind shots, don't! Go ahead. Sorry. You know better! He said he can't see. How the fuck did he hit me if he's shooting at you guys? Hey, you guys are totally missing, like, the rest of the team there. Yeah, you guys could have had him, like, when he ran past him. Just move on him. You guys know where he's at?
Yeah, I do. Semi-auto.
On what's not? On that?
Yeah.
Really?
He sprays, like, every BB. I mean, like...
On semi?
Yeah.
Needs cleaned again then. That's what I was doing before when I retired it. Yeah, you're fully exposed. Yeah, you
Move it!
I think that mag sounds mostly empty. It is. You better have another mag. Yeah, if you don't hear none rattling, dude, it can't load. Drop down. Yeah, drop down. Hurry up. You're in. You don't have no cover. Heated contact right here, guys. You do know that they're, well, I can't say shit. Fuck. Haynes. Haynes. Does your fucking company know what they're doing? You should be watching right now. You need to tell. Take plan B, engage down there, seriously. There's 2 people down there, you need to engage them. They're both in the same, one's correct and one's off. Right here?